So we just got in a huge box of Hilti Nuron tools to review, and we thought we'd start with the trusty old hammer drill. We're going to run through this thing and show you exactly what you can expect from this drill when you buy into the Hilti Nuron platform. But first, if you haven't already, consider hitting the like and subscribe button. It's 100% free and it really helps us out. We're on the road to 100,000 subscribers and we're really excited. Now, let's jump into this tool. Okay, so today we're looking at the Hilti SF6H-22. Now, this is a 1/2-inch hammer drill. It does have an all-metal chuck, which is really nice. That's a nice quality thing to see on a nice drill. And all around this thing, you've got these rubber bumpers, which are really nice. Really good in case of a fall, dropping the tool. We know that we do work at height sometimes, or even just around the job site. You want to make sure you have a nice durable tool. They did sort of the same thing on the battery. They're a little bit bulkier, but they are very protected. Moving to the front, we see down here on the bottom. And now this is the thing that a lot of tool manufacturers do. Some people like it around the chuck, some people like it down here, maybe in front of the trigger. Personally, I like it down there in the bottom because it allows me to really illuminate what I'm working on, and my fingers don't get in the way. If I'm using maybe a hole saw bit, it won't get in the way, cause shadows. So that's actually really nice. I like that a lot. Another design feature that I like, but I wish they would have done slightly different, is the auxiliary handle here. You see on some handles, you can position it all around the chuck. This is only one position that you can attach this in. Again, not a big deal, not a deal breaker by any means at all, but it would have been nice maybe to see if we could rotate it around the chuck, different hand positions. That would have been nice, but again, not a deal breaker on this tool. Now let's talk about some numbers real quick. The no load speed in low, speed 1, you go from 0 to 490 RPMs, and whenever you kick it up to speed 2, it goes 0 to 2,000 RPMs. That's a pretty big deal, and that's right in line with what we'd see from a professional model. Now, you're going to see some that are a bit faster, maybe a bit slower, but for professional models, that's exactly what we expect. The max torque is 752 inch-pounds of torque, so plenty of muscle to get the job done. And it also has a bare weight of 3.7 pounds, which is pretty good. I like that. I don't like a super heavy drill. I don't want to get tired in the middle of my day. So that's pretty nice. A few things that we've seen Hilti incorporate from past models is their active torque control that prevents any sort of bind up. So whenever you're going along, snag up, it'll actually stop the tool. That's a really, really nice safety feature we like. They also kept the efficient brushless motor, so you'll be able to run longer on these batteries and get a little bit of boost in power from previous models. Hilti says that when it's paired with a 3.95 amp hour, you're getting the best balance, size, weight, runtime available among any battery matchups. What's really cool feature here is the battery indicator that actually stays on the entire time you're using the tool. There's no need to go and find a button on the front to see how much battery you have left. Just press the trigger and boom, there it is. Each battery can also store multiple tools worth of data. The data collected includes information such as tool usage, charging location, last seen info, as well as battery state of health using Hilti's on-track tool software system. This Hilti hammer drill retails for $179 as a bare tool. Now, that is $20 more expensive than the model it replaces, but we think it's pretty reasonable, especially with the benefits you get from the Nuron system. With Hilti's sales model, you can easily build your own kit from there. They have an interface that allows you to mix and match which batteries and chargers you want to include in your purchase, in addition to some pre-configured kits that they have listed on their website. Hilti sells direct to consumer, so you'll only find the Nuron line at hilti.com, and there's a link to their site in the description below. If you have any questions about this hammer drill, leave them down in the comments below. And while you're at it, let us know what tools you'd like to see us review next. Don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching.